Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about do I need a visa to go to Mexico this holiday? All visitors to Mexico require a tourist permit, but not all need a visa. The fees associated with both depend on the visitor's nationality, how they are entering country, and for what length they are staying. Tourist permits. The Mexican tourist permit is not a visa and is obtained by filling in a multiple immigration form, FMM. This form can either be completed online before departure or once you've arrived in Mexico. It will be stamped by Mexican immigration on entering Mexico and must be kept until departure. Citizens of the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, and any country involved in the Schengen Agreement can enter Mexico with a tourist permit and no visa. The maximum stay is 180 days. The fee for a tourist permit is approximately MXN 500, USD 27, and this will be included in the cost of your ticket if you are arriving by commercial flight. If arriving by land, you will need to arrange to pay the fee with immigration, unless you are staying for less than 7 days, in which case it is free. Most border crossings will have banks where you can pay the fee immediately. Visas. Travelers of some nationalities may need to apply for a visa before traveling to Mexico. These countries currently include, but are not limited to, China, South Africa, India, and Russia. Note that visas are not required for these travelers if they hold a valid visa for the US, Canada, or a Schengen country. Visas are the responsibility of the individual traveler. Entry requirements can change at any time, so it's important that you check for the latest information. Please visit the relevant consular website of the country or countries you're visiting for detailed and up-to-date visa information specific to your nationality. Check the Essential Trip Information section of the itinerary for more information. Visa exemptions. Permanent residents must prove the permanent resident status to the immigration officer in Mexico at the port of entry by having the word permanent stated in their residence permit or by a letter of the immigration authorities of the Schengen country where they reside, stating his status as permanent resident. If you have an alien's passport or a long-term residence permit in Estonia, please contact our consular section before traveling. Remember, if you are granted a Mexican visa, you will be able to travel to Mexico. It does not guarantee entry to the country. At the point of entry, Mexican immigration authorities may ask you some questions to confirm the reasons you are traveling for, the length of your stay in Mexico, and how you are financing your trip. The last category of countries that enjoy visa-free travel to Mexico are citizens with an APEC Busings Travel Card, ABTC. Remember that your ABTC must have the MEX code on the back to be eligible for travel to Mexico. Citizens from the following countries that have an ABT enjoy visa-free travel to Mexico. Mexico online without first applying for a visa. However, you must provide your passport details when you apply and travel by air to be qualified to use the electronic permission method. Thank you so much for watching.